scared right now. I'm just walking down the street. There's this pile, like a big pack of birds, right? And I was just messing with it. There was bread, you know, and then I shoot them away because they were starting to get all vicious. And then I don't know what he just grabs me and takes me. Now I'm like in this place. It's like covered with birds. Well, it's been day 2 here in the bird kingdom, I call it, and well, I'm running low on resources. Like my iPod battery is dying, so I have to cut down on my music. Well, let's explore a little bit. I don't think she's never been here before. I keep on hearing those whistle noises. Wait a second. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God, it's a wild beast! Hey. You back up. You back up. Oh, don't you dare! Back up. Back up. Don't you cling to me. Just give me that ball. Oh, Jesus, there's a whole box full of them! Oh my God. I'm not going over there. I'm not going over there again. The thing almost took off my head. It's day 4 here. Alright, well, it's day 9. Really running low on food. Search for some food or just explore the premises. So. Bird feed. Captures. Oh, God. I don't know. It's terrible. Like birds. I would never, ever in my life turn into a bird. That's what she's trying to accomplish. I'm way ahead of her. I'm not that stupid. Nobody's that stupid. Okay. All those birds. Birds every time he comes near me. I hate the bird. He bit my finger and it's bleeding for oh God, I hate that bird. It's day 12. Tired, haven't slept. All I hear is like caws and whoos and my last resort. Bird feed I showed you before. I gotta live off that now. It's terrible. There's no flavor. It's just dry and disgusting. It said it was only $2.35 too, so this girl is obviously cheap. I think I found a photo of the woman. Oh God. Oh God. She makes me sick. Oh God. I don't even know what to do anymore. I just found myself just pacing around talking about birds. Like the American eagle and like the Philadelphian white hawk. I don't even know those things existed. But now they're just like in my head, man. They're in my head. So it's day 18 here in the bird palace. I'm watching a bird flying there and here. It's my only companion. I named him Polly. As in, Polly want a cracker. He's my only friend here. He never talks back. He just flies and goes, but I talk to him. Hey, Polly. It's day 22. Still no sign of the bird lady. She's probably out getting more prey or something like that. God, like, almost like I like it here now. Like, you know, I got these birds. I feel like I want to go fly or something. Like, you know, you get attached to something, but you know you don't want to. I am a bird. Somebody shot Polly. I'm trying to go find his body. Somebody shot Polly. Polly. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. I can fly. I'm a beautiful bird. I am a bird. I'm beautiful. I keep hearing noises. Like somebody's coming. Like the bird lady. She's coming. I told you she'd come. I'm a beautiful cockatoo. That's a good thing. I can fly. I feel like I want to go fly or something. Like, cockatoo. I'm beautiful. I don't think she's coming.